श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभाण्महं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनम्। नमो ब्रह्मण्यदेवाय गोब्राह्मणहिताय च जगद्हिताय कृष्णाय श्रीगोविन्दाय नमो नमः। गुष्यते यस्य नगरे रङ्गयात्रा दिने तमहं शिरसा वन्दे राजानं कुलशेखरम्। இன்னமுதம் ஊட்டுகேன் இங்கே வா பைங்கிளியே, தென்னரங்கம் பாடவல்ல சீர்பெருமாள் பொன்னஞ்சிலை சேர்நுதலியர்வேள் சேலலர்கோன் எங்கள் குலசேகரன் என்றே கூறு. ஆரம் கெடப்பர் நண்பர்கொள்ளார் என்றவர்களுக்கே வாரங்கொடு குடப்பாம்பிற் கையிட்டவன் மாற்றலரை வீரங்கெடுத்த செங்கோல் கொல்லிக்காவலன் வில்லவர்கோன் சேரன் குலசேகரன் முடிவேந்தர் சிகாமணியே. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनं गोविंद गोविंद। हे गोपालक हे कृपाजलनिधे हे सिंधुकन्यापते हे कंसान्तक हे गजेन्द्र करुणा पारीण हे माधव हे रामानुज हे जगत्त्रय गुरो हे पुंडरीकाक्ष मां हे गोपी जननाथ पालय परं जानामि न त्वं विना। Since I do not know anybody other than you, हे गोपाला, हे कृपा सागरा, ocean of compassion, हे सिंधु कन्यापते, lord of the daughter of the ocean, हे Kamsantaka, the destroyer of evil, हे Gajendra Karuna Parina, the one with supreme grace towards devotees like Gajendra, हे Madhava, lord of Mahalakshmi, हे Ramanuja, the younger brother of Balarama, हे Jagattraya Guru, or teacher of all the three worlds, हे Pundarikaksha, lotus-eyed one, Gopi Jananatha, lord of the gopis, Palaya Mam, protect me, I do not know anybody other than you. भक्तापाय भुजंग गारुडमणि त्रैलोक्य रक्षामणि गोपीलोचन चातकाम्बुदमणि सौंदर्य मुद्रामणि यकान्तामणि रुक्मिणी गणकुच द्वन्द्वैक भूषामणि श्रेयो देवशिखामणि दिशतु नो गोपाल चूड़ामणि। Last time when we spoke about these particular verses, we said there is a mani, a mantra and an aushadha. Mani, the sacred magical stone, mantra, the sacred chant, and aushadha, the sacred medicine. And to Alvar matramalla, to all of us, mani mantra vella Bhagavan. Everything should be Bhagavan only. Then there is a difference between those who have surrendered completely to Bhagavan. Otherwise, nowadays, it always has been there. You wear this particular jewel for your particular Rashi. You belong to this Rashi, astrological sign. So you must wear this particular gemstone for that. Then it becomes, everything will become appropriate for you. For this nakshatra, you wear this. For this problem, you use this mantra. For that problem, you use that mantra. Power. We are not denying the power that any of those things have. Gems have their power. Various gemstones have been known to have. Everything is filled with vibration in this world. Each one creates a vibration, and it may correspond to our kind of vibrations, increase good ones, suppress the harmful vibrations, and so on and so forth. They all have their roles. But where do they gain their power from? The money is working. How is the money working? How is the mantra working? The mantra power engaged. So directly when we go to Bhagavan himself, now I depend upon all of these things. It doesn't mean you cannot wear it. Wear it, but don't think that is what is solving your problem. Bhagavan is solving your problem. Okay. Let not the money become the savior for us. என்ன மணின்னா இருக்கு, மணி இருக்குப்பா, யூ கேன் வேற மணி. என்ன மணின்னா கிருஷ்ண மணி. பக்தா அபாய புஜங்க காருடமணி. பக்தா அபாய புஜங்க காருடமணி. பக்தா அபாயங்கிறது புஜங்கமா. The difficulties for the devotee, the danger that comes to the devotee is like a serpent. And when that serpent, the danger called, or the serpent called the danger comes, upon what nullifies it? Garudamani. Garudamani. There is a Garuda that is there that will nullify the effects of the serpent. What is that Garuda? Even the Garuda. Garudan மேல உட்கார்ந்துருக்கானே அவன் தான் கருடன். The one who is sitting on top of Garuda is the Garuda Mani. Bhaktapaya Bhujanga Garuda Manihi Trailokya Rakshamanihi. It just not only protects you, Trailokya Rakshamani, it protects all the three worlds. Gopi Lochana Chatakambudamani. For the eyes of the gopis that are like the Chataka birds, he is the dark rain cloud that showers that nectar of prema which they drink. But they have eyes only for him. Gopi Lochana Chatakam Budamani, not only Gopikas of Vrindavanam. Anyone who has got eyes only for Bhagavan is a Gopi. Gopis are not extinct species. They are still there. Inniku irka. Yaru Gopi appadina. One who has eyes only for Bhagavan is a Gopi. Gopi Lochana Chatakam Budamanihi Saundarya Mudramanihi. அப்படியே சௌந்தரியத்தை எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து வச்சு combined essence of all the beauty of the world, you take it beauty aliye. And a statue can be beautiful if beauty itself becomes a statue. A person's form may be beautiful, but if beauty itself becomes their form, na எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்போ? அப்படியே சௌந்தர்ய முத்ராமணிஹி யகாந்தாமணி ருக்மிணி. That which is the ருக்மிணிக்கு இது அழகா சொல்றா. கனகுச்ச துவந்த்வைக பூஷாமணிஹி அப்படின்னா ரெஸ்டிங் இன் பிட்வீன் இன் த செஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ருக்மிணி தெர் இஸ் அ மணியா. என்ன மணின்னு இந்த மணி. ஏன்னா அவள் ஹார்ட் ஹிருதயத்துக்குள்ளே வச்சுட்டு இருக்கா அவனை. She has kept him in her heartங்கிறதுனால she is shining. Why is she shining? இந்த மணி is sitting inside and making her shine. அதனால யக் காந்தாமணி ருக்மிணி घनकुच द्वन्द्वैक भूषामणिः श्रेयो देवशिखामणिः. Devashikhamani, he is the crest jewel of all the devas. Sitting on top of all of the devas, he is the lord of all of them. Devas, all the forces, all the powers, all the energies that are present in the universe are what are called devas. Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, Yamas, Allah children, what are they? Fire, wind, water, lightning, thunder. All the various forces of nature irke elladukkum top of all of that, controlling all of that. Devashikamanihi deshatuno Gopala Chudamanihi, and the Gopala Chudamani, may he shower his grace Shreyas upon us. Abdina mani Shatruschaitaika mantram Sakalam Upanishad Vakya Sampujya mantram Samsarottara mantram समुपचित तमस्संग निर्याण मंत्रम सर्वैश्वर्यैक मंत्रम व्यसन भुजग संदष्ट संत्राण मंत्रम जिह्वे श्री कृष्ण मंत्रम जप तप सततम जन्म साफल्य मंत्रम. Shatruschedayika mantram, that which destroys all the enemies. An enemy, everything that fear is an enemy, anxiety is an enemy. You don't have to think about an individual as an enemy. There are no enemies that way for us. People are not enemies for us. People are not enemies. People are Bhagavad Swarupam. They are not enemies. Any enemy, only fear is your enemy. Your loneliness is your enemy. Your depression is your enemy. Your anxiety is your enemy. Your worry is your enemy. You do not know what is going to happen, what will happen to me. Appadina adur enemy. What is he doing? He is robbing you of your peace. That's an enemy. If you want to get rid of those enemies, Shatrus Chaitaika mantram enna Krishna, 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 Krishna. Apra enga anxiety, enga worry irukku solunga. You stop chanting, worry will come back to you. If Hari is there, worry is not there. If Hari is there, then worry is not there. Worry will come and Hari is not there. Krishna, and Manasara, from the heart you call out the name of the Lord Narayana. Then and there that worry fades away. அதுக்கப்புறம் what will come to you? At least ஒரு good sense will come when you are there. What is there for me to worry? Even if there something happens, anyway you are there, it is your sankalpa, it is all right, Prabhu. அப்படிங்கிறா தோணுமே தவிர worry will not be there anymore if Hari is there. Shatrushchaitayika mantram sakalam upanishadvakya sampujya mantram. All the Upanishads are praising or talking about something liya, sampujya mark liya. They are all worshipping something, they are indicating something, they are talking about something, they are referring to something. What is it that they are referring to? The Krishna mantram dane. Krishna himself is mantramurti, mantra swarupama Krishna. Krishna, it is not, Krishna mantra is not the mantra about Krishna. Krishna himself is the mantra here. Bhagavan himself is the mantra. Mantrana manana trayate iti mantraha, that which protects you when you meditate upon it. Yaar. Who protects you when you meditate upon him? Bhagavan dane. Why should Bhagavan wait for me to meditate upon him before he starts to protect me? Can he not protect me even before I meditate upon him? Meditation is the protection we are talking about. It is not that Bhagavan has to come separately and protect you. The moment you connect to him, you will feel protection which is already there. Apo, meditation is connection to Bhagavan. Meditation is breath control, focusing here, focusing there. Connecting to Bhagavan alone can be called meditation. Krishna, if you connect to Bhagavan, that itself is meditation. And when you meditate in that manner, that connection will cause a flow of divine grace, divine energy, fearlessness to come to you, which will immediately wipe away all thoughts of future. It will destroy all fears from the past. Pastum போய்டும் ஃபியூச்சரும் போய்டும். எப்போ இந்த மந்திரத்தை சொன்னா போடும், கிருஷ்ணா கிருஷ்ணா பகவானே நாராயணா அப்படி சொன்னா போடும். சகல உபனிஷத் வாக்கிய சம்பூஜ்ய மந்திரம், it is what is being represented by or indicated by all the Upanishads. Sakalam Upanishad. Samsarottara mantram, the mantra that will emancipate us from samsara. Samupachita samasanga niryana mantram, samupachita tamasanga niryana mantra, the mantra that will eradicate, drive away the accumulated tamas, accumulated ignorance, accumulated vasanas which we've been gathering over births together. அதுதான் சொல்ற சமுபச்சித தமஸ் சங்கா. தமஸ் அப்படியே உட்காந்து கனமா உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கு. It has all come together into one big gang. Sangha அப்படின்னா gang. Over the period of time it is accumulated. All of that will be destroyed with this mantra. Sarvaishwaryaika mantram. It will give you all Aishwarya, all wealth, all goodness, all greatness. Vyasana bhujaga sandashta santrana mantram. Vyasana bhujaga sandashta. When the snake called difficulties comes and bites us, then this is the mantra that will protect us from that poison of that snake called all despair, difficulty and problems of this world. Adanala, therefore, jihve o tongue, Krishna mantram japatapa satatam, constantly meditate and chant this Krishna mantra, which alone is your janmasapalya mantram, the mantra that will emancipate you, make your life fulfilled. Illana enna life? You will also live and you will also die. What is the point of it? Fulfillment will not be there. In the end, you will die empty. There is nothing worse than having lived a so-called full life and dying empty. In the end, a feeling of lack, a feeling of insufficiency. What is the use of such a life? Shanti liye. When we say insufficiency, what do we mean? Shanti is what we talk about. Shanti. The greatest treasure, the greatest wealth is Shanti. Sarva Aishwarya ka mantram choname. The Sarva Aishwarya, what is the great Aishwarya? Shanti is the greatest Aishwarya. So when we are peaceful, when we have that Shanti, avada, adin Shanti irkilla. Vyamoha prashamaushadam munimano vritti pravrityaushadam daityendra-artikaraushadam trajagatam sanjeevanaikaushadam Bhaktyatyantakhitaushadam bhavabhaya pradvamsanaikaushadam shreyah praptikaraushadam pibamana Shri Krishna divyaushadam. Vyamoha prashamaushadam, the medicine for depression. Vyamoha அப்படின்னா depression தான். நான் அஸ்வின்ட்ட போனால் எத்தையோ கொடுப்பான், விளம்பாதீங்கோ, இங்கே வாங்கோ நான் தரேன். Don't go to psychiatrist, come to psychiatrist. I will give you the right medicine for depression, dejection, mental troubles. எங்கேயோ சைக்காட்ரிஸ்ட் தேடி ஓடாதீங்கோ. பெஸ்ட் மெடிசன் என்னன்னா கிருஷ்ண ஔஷதம், ஸ்ரீகிருஷ்ண திவ்ய ஔஷதம். கிருஷ்ணன் தான் ஔஷதம். பாகவதம் கேளுங்க, அப்புறம் என்ன டிப்ரெஷன் வரும் சொல்லுங்க. Listen to Bhagavatam, listen to Dashamaskandam, listen to Krishna Bala Leela, Govardhana Leela, Vrindavana Leela, Gopi Leela, தாமோதர லீலா கேளுங்க, பிரம்ம லீலா கேளுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் டிப்ரெஷன் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன்னா அப்புறம் உங்களை ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியாது, யாரும் காப்பாற்ற முடியாது உங்களை. After listening to all of that, if you still say you have depression, then you are a hopeless case. Brahma himself cannot save you. Vyamoha prashamaushadam Muni manovritti pravritti aushadam. Munis who give up everything and sit down quietly, அவளுடைய மனசுக்குள்ளேயே அவளுக்கு இவனுக்கு வியாமோகம் போகிறது, அவளுக்கு மோகம் வருதான். The one who is normally infatuated with the things of the world becomes detached. The one who is usually detached becomes attached. The one who is attached to the things of the world becomes detached from them, but the one who is already detached from them, the sages. Last time I told you about the sages who went to Dandakaranya to meditate. Nobody will disturb me. They were meditating. Rama came there. After meditation, threw everything away. Rama, 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 Rama. Munimana pravritti aushadam, vritti pravritti aushadam, daitrendra artikara aushadam. The medicine that gives headache to Vichitramanism, it relieves the headache and gives headache both. It gives headache to Asuras but relieves the headache of the enemies of the Asuras, the Devas. Trijagatam Sanjeevanaika Aushadam, it is the medicine that brings all the three worlds back to life. The Mahapralaya Kalathila, when all samharam happens of all the three worlds, how do they come back again? Aushadam thiripi kudukuradilla, Sanjeevana Aushadam arked. Sanjeevani, Mrita Sanjeevani, Hanuman went and got that mountain theriyala pavam avarku. Hanumanuku theriyala pavam. Kulashekara bata ketirundha charinji perku. Hanuman thought he had to go across and bring the mountain Sanjeevani Aushada, but Sanjeevani Aushada is sitting right next to him. Sri Ramachandra is the Aushadam ulliyo. Shri Krishna Divyamrita Divya Aushadam na Shri Rama Divya Aushadam dane. Rama dane Divya Aushadam. Ultimately Sanjeevani worked because Rama was sitting there. Otherwise Sanjeevani also may not have worked. Trijagatam Sanjeevanaika Aushadam Bhakta Atyantika Hitaushadam. Bhakta Atyanta Hitaushadam. For the devotees, this is the greatest Hitaushadam. Hitaushadam na tonic. You are not always unwell. But still we eat Chavanprash in Chapu. Even if you are well, you will eat Chavanprash. Here, you more strength, more immunity, more vigor, more energy, maintain the good health. அப்படின்னு டானிக் ரசாயனம் சாப்பிட்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ரசாயனம் என்னன்னா இந்த கிருஷ்ணா மந்திரம் தான். Bhavabhaya pradvamshanai kaushadam, the one aushada, the one medicine that will destroy bhavabhaya, the fear of samsara. Shreyav praptikaraushadam, the one which will give all benefit, highest benefit to you, the greatest goodness to you. Pibamana Shri Krishna Divyaushadam, O mind, drink therefore Shri Krishna Divyaushadam, the divine medicine called Krishna. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஆம்னாயாபியாசனானி அரண்யருதிதம் வேதவ்ரதான்யன்வகம் மேதశ్చేదఫலாని பூர்த்தவிதயா சர்வே ஹுதம் பஸ்மனி தீர்த்தானாம் அவகாஹணானி ஜகஜஸ்நானாம் ஸ்நானம் வினாயத்பத द्वन्द्वाम्बोरुग संस्कृति विजयते देवः स नारायणः. आम्नायाभ्यासनानि अरण्यरुदितं वेदव्रतान्यन्वहं मेधश्चेदफलानि. Learning all the Vedas, chanting all the Vedas, that is like wandering about in a forest. Observing all the various upavasas, rituals, rites, etc., the best thing, maximum thing you will get is weight loss, fat loss. And if you do yajna, etc., it is all like pouring ghee onto ashes, not onto fire. Going and dipping yourself in the various tirthas is like taking the elephant taking a bath, because after coming out it will put dust onto itself again. என்னது இப்படி சொல்றேன்னா, எதுக்குன்னா வினா யத் பாதத்வந்த்வாம்போருஹ சம்ஸ்ருதி. It is all useful provided you also hold on to Bhagavan's lotus feet. If you do not think about Bhagavan's lotus feet, then no matter what you do, it is all futile. அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்காக he says, ஒரு தேவன் இருக்கான், there is one Lord, remembering whom all of this have effect, forgetting whom everything loses effect. Sadevo Narayanaha, அதான் நாராயணன், that Bhagavan. ஸ்ரீமன்னாம ப்ரோச்ச நாராயணாக்கியம் கேன பிராபு வாஞ்சிதம் பாபினோபி ஹானஹ பூர்வம் வாக் பிரவருத்தான தஸ்மின் தேன பிராப்தம் கர்ப்பவாசாதி துக்கம். அஷ்டாட்சர மந்திரத்தினுடைய மகிமை, பகவானுடைய நாமம் நாராயண மந்திரம், நாராயண நாமம். The name of the Lord is so powerful that what is it that you cannot acquire if you chant His name? Kena prapur vanchitam papinopi. Even if you are the greatest sinner, you can get everything provided you chant His name. Kulam tarum shelvam tandidum adiyar paduduyarellam paduduyarainavellam nilandarat seyyum neelvisham varulum அருளோடு பெருநிலமளிக்கும் வளம் தரும் மற்றும் தந்திடும் பெற்றதாயினும் ஆயின செய்யும் நலன் தரும் சொல்லை நான் கண்டு கொண்டேன். நாராயணா என்னும் நாமம். The name Narayana gives everything that you need, fulfills all your desires, fulfill all your needs, all your wants, everything it gives you. There is nothing more that you will need after you have chanted that name. What can that name not give? Alas, children, alas, unfortunately, previously in the last birth we did not know this, otherwise we would have avoided this birth. ஹானஹ பூர்வம் வாக் பிரவருத்தான தஸ்மின். இதை போன ஜென்மா அவர் சொல்லலையே. அலாஸ் ஐ டிட் நாட் சாண்ட் திஸ் நேம் இன் த லாஸ்ட் பர்த். தேன பிராப்தம் கர்ப்பவாசாதி துக்கம். பிகாஸ் ஐ டிட் நாட் சாண்ட் இட், நவ் ஐ காட் த கர்ப்பவாசாதி துக்கம். ஏன் கிடைக்கல போன ஜென்மாவில்? என்ன? Why did I not get it in the last Janma? Why is it that I was not able to chant Nara? Why did I not get the zeal, the enthusiasm, the desire to chant Bhagavan Nama? Because last Janma I was filled with ego. I thought I know everything. I myself know everything. I was going around. That is why I was not able to chant the holiest mantra. If you need to get the desire to chant Narayana Mantram, Mantram is there, money is there, Aushadam is there, but in spite of everything being there, sometimes karma will be such that despite it being in the house, you will not know it is there in the house. Yeah. Headache will be there. Jandu balm will be there somewhere in the house. There is nothing more but Panadol better. Jandu balm nor balm. Pidahari balm. Mahatma. We do not know who is the great Mahatma, who does got tiger balm. No, there is nothing compared to the tiger. Is like a pussycat compared to Jandu balm. Zandu balm. Pair is Z-A-N-D-U. Adam pair is Zandu. Indian store you will find it here also. Pokushamad. When we come from India, we bring it with us. And if you have a headache, you just have to apply. It will burn. Abhada, it will burn. Ana, after what headache? Headache and that jasti. You'll be lucky if head is left behind. Forget headache. Headache definitely will not be there. At least head will be there. Headache is there. Zandu balm is there somewhere, but we will not remember Zandu balm is at home. And we will suffer through the headache. Adha karma. Medicine will be at hand, but the memory of it or taking it will not happen and suffering will continue. Adha prarabdha karma. If that karma has to go, what should happen? Abdinna? Majjanma phalamidam adukaita bhare mat prarthani mad anugrahaye shayeva tvad bhritya paricharaka bhritya bhrityasya bhritya iti mam smaralokanatha. If I should be able to take that medicine, if I should be able to chant your name, for that you have got to remember me. But as what should you remember me? Tvad bhritya paricharaka bhritya bhrityasya bhritya iti mam Smaralokanatha. You should remember me as the 7th slave in the lineage of slaves. Slave dynasty. In India, the first Muslims that came were slave dynasty. Alauddin Khilji. Slaves became kings. The king's slave became the king. Qutub Minar la India. slave dynasty people. அப்புறம் தான் முகல்ஸ்கே. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்லேவ் பரம்பரா, தாச பரம்பரா. என்னன்னா त्वद्भृत्य your servant, भृत्य भृत्य servant servant, परिचारक भृत्य भृत्य servant 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 servants servants servant. Let me be that servant, remember me as that servant. அப்பதான் வந்து I will have the humility enough to chant your name. இல்லைன்னா I will think I know everything. I will think I know everything. I will go around thinking there is nothing I do not know. No, I do not even need saving. அப்படின்னு நினைச்சு போடுவேன். அதனால lest I should fall into that trap. மஜ்ஜன்ம பலமிதம் மதுகைட பாரே. This is the fruit of my life. மத் பிரார்த்தனியம். This is my prayer. மத் அனுகிரஹேஷ ஏவ. And this is the grace that you can shower upon me. This is the fruit of my life. This is my prayer, and this is the fruit of my prayer, the boon that you can give me. What is it அப்படின்னா? You should remember me. ஸ்மர லோகநாத மாம் ஸ்மர, remember me. ஆனா as how அப்படின்னா त्वद्भृत्य भृत्य परिचारक भृत्य भृत्य भृत्यस्य भृत्य इति மாம் ஸ்மர லோகநாதா. லோகநாதா, remember me as the servant of 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 the servant. அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. Remember me like that. அப்படின்னு in order to get that kind of humility without which we cannot get the sadbuddhi to chant Bhagavan Nama. Prarabdha will come and spoil it. Prarabdha will come and stand. ஏன்னா அகங்காரா தான் பிராரப்தத்தினுடைய இன்னொரு பேர் அகங்காரம் தான். Prarabdha and ahankara are not two different things. There is no prarabdha for one who has no ahankara. There is no prarabdha for a person without ahankara. Yenna prarabdha is like an arrow that has already been let loose. It's an arrow that has already been let loose. It is flying out. You cannot stop it now. It is flying. But the problem there is that it needs a target to come and hit. If there is no target, what will happen? It will keep flying. No? Why are you standing up like a target? Prishtan Karani. Ahankara is what is the target for prarabdha, the arrow called prarabdha. If ahankara is not there, prarabdha, where will it go and strike? Prarabdha for whom? Atma ka prarabdha mundo. Is there any prarabdha for the atma? No. Prarabdha is only for ahankara. Who is the one that is suffering as a result of prarabdha? Ahankara. If ahankara is not there, prarabdha has no value at all whatsoever. That is why Swami says in response to a devotee's question, can anything be done to change prarabdhana? Swami says only one thing can be done: absolute total obedience to the Guru. Implicit total obedience to the Guru is the only thing that can get rid of your prarabdha. The problem enna theriyuma? Prarabdha prevents obedience. இவ பிராரப்த கர்மா என்ன பண்றதுன்னா சொன்ன வச்சு கேட்க விடாம பண்றது தெரியாது. அப்படின்னு இல்லை, அகங்காரா alone is making us not listen. We cannot blame it on prarabdha. Our ahankara prevents us from listening to the words of the Guru and following it. Doesn't matter what. No, doesn't matter what profit or what loss. Doesn't matter what convenience or inconvenience. Does not matter what I want or what I do not want. What I should be doing அப்படின்னா absolutely follow the words that have been said. அதுக்கப்புறம் no question. ஆனால் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. அகங்காரா prevents it. அகங்காரா takes the form of desire. He says don't, but I want. Therefore let me desire. Ahankara takes the form of stubbornness. Why should I? Ahankara takes the form of preoccupation in something else. Otherwise, why do you, I forgot. Why did you forget? Yana preoccupation. Mind is involved in something else, not involved in ella ahankara thodi various vikaras of ahankara. Various forms of ahankara is what is taking ego. If there is no ego, no obedience is inevitable. If ahankara is not there, obedience is inevitable. If there is obedience is not there, ahankara alone is the cause of obedience not being there. Illana apdiye kekka thonum. Ego illana apdiye kekka thonum. Sonna pecha kekka thonum. Then children, in order for me to emancipate myself, because Guru will come and say chant the mantra, obedience vanume. Priya mantram irukku, money is there, aushadam is there, great medicine is there, the great money is there, the great mantra is there, everything is there, Krishna mantra is there, jihve Shri Krishna mantram japatapa satatam, chant Krishna mantra. But to chant it, I need obedience only. If the obedience is not there, what will happen? For that obedience, humility has to come. For the humility, I have got to consider myself as the servant of 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 the servant. Otherwise it will not come. नाथेन पुरुषोत्तमे त्रिजगतां एकाधिपे चेतसा सेव्ये स्वस्य पदस्य दातरी सुरे नारायणे तिष्ठति यं किंचित् पुरुषादमं कतिपयग्रामेशमल्पार्तदं सेवायै मृगयामहे नरमहो मूकावराकावयम् When Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, the Supreme Lord, is there willing to give anything that we ask Him for, why should we go wandering around trying to serve all the worldly people? Yat kinchit purushadhamam naram. Though ordinary human being Alpam, he is not in control of himself. He does not have any sense control. He is not a master of himself. We are going and becoming his servant. What is the point? Become the servant of Mahatmas, become the servant of Bhagavatas, become the servant of those who are considering themselves as the servants of the Lord. ஏன்னா அவளை தொட்டு நமக்கு வந்துடும். In the evening we will see மதுரகவி ஆழ்வார் says திரிதந்தாகிலும் தேவபிரானுடைய கரியகோல திருவுரு காண்பன் நான் அப்படிம்பார். அப்படியே even if I am wandering around here and there, I will still get to see the Lord. ஏன் அப்படின்னா why will I get to see the Lord? Because I have surrendered to my Guru. So if the Lord is unwilling to come, my Guru will drag him by the ear and make him stand in front of me and say, here, give darshan to my disciple. Then my Guru will force the Lord to come. Adhanal, even if I should be the servant, I should be the servant of such a person who can make the Lord appear, give the anubhava of the Lord in my heart. Madana parihara stitim madiye manasi mukunda padara vindadhamni haranayana கிருஷானுனா கிருஷோசி ஸ்மரசின சக்கர பராக்கிரம் முராரேஹே அப்படிங்க தான் முடிச்சோம். I think this is where we stopped last time. O Kama, O desire, beware. Have you forgotten when you were burnt by the fire of Shiva's anger? You have never tasted the parakrama of Chakrayudham, of my Lord Sudarshana Chakra? Beware, he resides in my heart. Therefore, don't dare to wag your tail in front of me, otherwise you will be burnt. He is giving a warning to Madana also, to Kamadeva also. Now we will continue on. We have done a quick revision of all the verses that we have seen before. Tattvam bruvanani param parasmat maduksharanti vasatam phalani प्रावर्तय प्राञ्जलिरस्मि जिह्वे नमामि नामानि नारायण गोचराणि. அழ்வார் இங்கே சொல்றார், தத்துவம் ப்ருவானானி பரம்பரஸ்மாத் மதுக்ஷரந்தீவ சதாம் ஃபலானி பிராவர்த்தய பிராஞ்சலிரஸ்மி ஜிஹ்வே. ஓ மை டங், Pranjalihi, I salute you. I salute you. Do me a favor. Namani Narayana Gocharani Pravartaya. Chant the various names of Narayana. The names of Narayana that are associated with Gocharani Namani. Gocharani அப்படினா activities ன்னு அர்த்தம். All the names of Narayana are associated with his activities. Yesterday we mentioned that. Every name of Bhagavan is associated with either his gunas, his qualities, or the Rupa Lavanya, the beauty of his Rupa, or the actions of the various leelas that he has done. Narasimha, it refers to the form, Bhagavanuடைய form. His form is half lion, half man. Narasimha, the name is associated. Vamana, associated with the form. Trivikrama, associated with the deed. He measured all the three worlds. Urukrama, Trivikrama, one with mighty steps. Krama, moving in artham. Trivikrama, one who can move in all the three worlds. Urukrama, the one with mighty steps, mighty deeds. Like that, all the Madhusudhana, the one who destroyed Madhu. Murari, the one who destroyed Mura. So the names are all associated either with his gunas or his rupas, various forms, or his various deeds. Adhanal ivar children, Namani Narayana Gocharani, all the names of Narayana associated with his various leelas. O Jihva, O my tongue, please utter those names. I salute you. Yenna Tattvam Purvanani Param Parasmat. I will tell you the truth which is the highest truth of all. Maduksharanti Vasatam Phalani. Maduksharanti va, like honey that is flowing. Like flowing honey. That pair, Bhagavanudaya pair, it is like, it is dripping with honey. Yarukana satam phalani. It is the fruit for the sages which is dripping with honey. Satam, the great ones, the holy ones, the devotees. For them, they are doing tapasya. What are they doing tapasya for? For some fruit of the tapasya to come to them. What is this fruit? Irukku fruit. Tapasya dhan fruit inga. Fruit of the tapasya and tapasya are not two different things. If you do the wrong tapasya, you will have to wait for a fruit to come in the end. But if you do the right tapasya, eating the fruit itself is tapasya. Madhuksharanti vasatam phalani. Enna tapas pandra? Namasmaranam pandra. What sadhana do you do? I do namasmarana. So have you attained the fruit of your sadhana yet? What fruit? I am eating it every day. Every moment I chant the name, I am already madhuksharam. The nectar of that fruit is dripping out. I don't even have to bite this fruit. I just have to place it upon my tongue. Already it is oozing nectar. Sometimes when a fruit becomes very ripe, you keep it there. Adilala juice will come and collect. The persimanna vachapdi I do. Sweet, adila the juice, nectar will collect. And like that, Bhagavan Nama eppadi irukku appadina Krishna ennu sonnache idukku mela or palan varanuma. Are you going to wait for the result to come later on? When the moment you utter the name of the Lord, joy has already come into us. Sweetness has already come into us. Idukku mela what fruit? Yes, there is a fruit. Kulam tarum chellam thandidum. Adella varum appuram varattume. The beauty is I am not chanting this name for all of that. I am chanting it for the sweetness that is there now. Luckily for me, I am addicted to this sweet which has got good effects. I am not eating chocolate chaparro. Sweets chaparro. We eat sweets. Why do we eat sweets? So that we can get diabetes. Kya nanache parungo. Nariya sweeta muingin iruken. Diabetes varum illaya. Adukkaga thaan appdi nara solvalo. Will anybody eat sweets to get diabetes? It is a side effect. You are eating the sweet because it is sweet. You are eating the sweet because it is sweet. You are eating the sweet because you like to eat it. Unfortunate side effect of it may be something else. Obesity, diabetes, likewise, the side effect of the name may be moksha, giksha. We are not chanting the name for that. We are chanting it for the sweetness that is there now, here and now. The ananda that is here and now, for that we are chanting Tattvam Brahmanani Paramparasmat. If I should tell you the truth, Madhuksharanti Vavalam Satam Phalani Pravartaya. Repeat again and again. Pranjalarasmi Jikhve. I salute you, O tongue. Repeat again and again. Namani Narayana Gocharani. Chant the names of Sriman Narayana. Chant the many names of Sriman Narayana because they are the only purpose of our existence itself. Idam shariram parinama peshalam padatyavashyam shratasandhi jarjaram kim aushadaihi klishyasi moodam dhurmate niramayam krishna rasayanam vibha Kim aushade klishyasi mooda durmate niramayam krishna rasayanam vibha. Juneliya Narasimha Rasayanam nu narkum. In Ayurveda there is a beautiful, very tasty medicine called Narasimha Rasayanam. It's just ghee and sugar. Actually ghee and chakra nahin solluvom namalla. Dosai thottu saapidala. It is simply ghee and sugar. Nice, beautiful combination with some medicinal herbs in it. It is very good for memory. It will also help you put on weight. For those who are suffering from unexplained weight loss and so on, not able to put on weight, Narasimha Rasayanam will help them. Increases memory also very nicely. This is Krishna Rasayanam. Narasimha Rasayanam is Krishna Rasayanam. This is Ayurvedic medicine. This is not Ayurvedic medicine. This is Vedic medicine. Vedic medicine. Vedic Rasayanam is Krishna Rasayanam. Idam shariram parinama peshalam. This body is made up of change. It is subject to change. Body is subject to change. Patati avashyam. It will fall down. It will definitely fall. Shlata sandhi jarjaram. Enna solrar appadina knees will become a problem nu solrar. Knee or problem, unakku knees or problem. In Tamil, knee means you. Knee problem means you are a problem. You are a problem. Your knee is another problem for knee. Joints, Sandhina joints. Shlata Sandhi Jarjaram, as you become old, inevitably, when you go in India in this country, they don't advise you properly. You go to India. You go to a doctor in India. Doctor, knees are paining. Age, ma. Age related problem. It will deteriorate. You can't do anything. Put up with it. Go. That's the truth. Parinama Veshalam. Body is constantly changing. It is subject to change. In the Urla Pona, we will replace your knee. We will replace your knee. You will be able to run like a 25-year-old. The person is 75 years old. Knees are giving problem. Naturally, they have lived all through 75 years. The knees have been working. No rest. Finally, they are saying, enough. Don't unnecessarily work me too much. I have served you enough. Now you sit down in one place. Chant the name of the Lord. Why are you running around? Knee is telling us, sit down in one place and chant the name of the Lord. Otherwise, you are not chanting. The doctor says, you can run like a 25-year-old, I'll change both your knees. You can change the knees. What about the heart, sir? If I run like a 25-year-old at 75 years, heart will not be able to keep up. Knee will run. Heart... Idam shariram parinama peshalam. Body is constantly changing. You cannot worry about the fact that body is changing. We've got to get it finally firmly into ourselves, especially when we are young itself. I am going to become old one day. The body is going to become, I am not going to become old. Body is going to become old one day. All you have got to do is look around at all the elderly people around. They are hobbling. Okay, maybe one day I will also hobble. If we be prepared for it. You can even sell them dibs on your walking stick. Ayyo, valikirudana. Idam shariram parinama peshalam. It is inevitable. Patatyavashyam. Avashyam. Definitely it will fall. I can give you 100% guarantee. Warranty guarantee. Bhagavan also gives 100% guarantee for the body. It will break down. It will deteriorate. It will fall. Avashyam. Shlata Sandhi Jarjaram. With age, all the joints will become problem. Jarjarana, old age in Artham. With old age, Sandhi, the joints will deteriorate. It will degenerate, it will decompose, it will start to deteriorate. Apo, Kim Aushadaihi Klishasi Muda Durmate. Alvar stronger Peshara. Alvar is speaking a bit strongly. Muda Durmate. You foolish, evil-minded fellow. Foolish fellow Shana Porado. Muda Durmate. Kim Aushadaihi Klishasi. Why are you running around for medicines? Why are you running around desperately for a medicine to reverse your natural scheme of things that the Lord has designed it for? Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Pibha. Drink the medicine that will put an end to all diseases once and for all. Krishna Rasayanam. You can get a replacement, everything can be done, body can be, you can take care of the body now. But after this, another body will come, no? You cannot ask the doctor, you are going to correct this. Now, will this last me in the next birth also? Will it last me until the next birth also? Will it be there? Niramayam. Amayame illai. Amayam disease. Niramayam, no disease. When can there be no disease at all? 100% free from disease is possible only when you have no body. If you have no body, then definitely there is no chance of you ever getting a disease. Next Janma should not be there. How can I ensure that next Janma is not there? Na Krishna Rasayanam Pibha. Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Pibha. Drink Krishna Rasayanam. Drink that great tonic called Krishna Rasayanam. Krishna Nama. Bhagavan. Krishna Rasayanam na Bhagavan Puchkopa. Ho catch hold of Bhagavan. Don't aim for short term results. It doesn't mean that don't go to a doctor from tomorrow onwards. Don't get it wrong. Anyway, you have knee problem. Now, doesn't mean, oh, should I just put up with the knee problem? If you find relief, find relief. I'm not saying no. But understand what is the purpose of everything. Goal enna Bhagavan dane goal. Otherwise, you will get caught up in all of these things. Go into it without getting caught up into it. Adukka Krishna rasayanam pibha. Ellam Bhagavad sankalpam dane. Everything is happening as per Bhagavad sankalpam dane. So be prepared. Alvar is saying be prepared. Parinama peshalam. Idam shariram parinama peshalam. Shariram abdinale shirayati. Nartha. Sharira. The word sharira in Sanskrit means that which is deteriorating. The word deha. Dehana body. The word deha means that which is going to be burnt. Not even going to be. Currently also it is burning. It is always burning. Burning is what is called metabolism. If you don't burn, then it's a problem. Then you'll have to be burnt. Alive or dead, burn now. Fire is constantly with us. If you are alive and you are not burning, now you are dead. Up you have to be burnt. Metabolism is nothing but the internal fire. Jataragni Vaishwanara arkan Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Dekham Ashrataha Pranapana Samayukta Pachamyannam Chaturvidam. Abdina Bhagavan in the form of Vaishwanara is constantly burning within us. So Dakhyati. It is burning. That is why it is called Deha. Sharira. We cannot expect this body to remain pristine and unchanged. It will change. Hair is falling. Hair is falling. A body itself is going to fall. Idam shariram patati avashyam. This body itself is going to fall. Why are you worried about hair falling? Idam shariram parinama peshalam. Again, clarifying, does not mean you should not go to doctors. Most of our people sitting here are all doctors. If everybody listens to discourse and don't go to doctors, they will be jobless. Dependency should be clear in our heads. Doctor is not saving me. The drug is not saving me. Bhagavan is saving me. Body is anyway subject to failure. அதனால் இதம் ஷரீரம் பரிணாமபேஷலம் பதத்யவசியம் ஸ்ரதசந்தி ஜர்ஜரம் அப்படி இருக்கிறச்சே கிம் ஔஷதைஹி கிளிஷ்யசி மூடதுர்மதே. If you are going to lose your peace, if you are going to lose your connection with God in the search for medicines, then you are nothing but a fool and a crooked-minded fool, durmati. Instead, Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Pibha. And the Niramayamana, that Krishna Rasayanam, that medicine called Krishna's name, Bhagavat Tattva, association with Bhagavan, connection with the Lord. It's a very important thing that is what he is referring to as Krishna Rasayana. If you look at it, day to day, morning to evening, you can live your life for a whole day without feeling an actual connection to God. In fact, many days are like that. Most days are like that. Those alone are the days we have lived when we have connected to Him within. And you know when this connection happens and when you live your life without this connection. If you have enjoyed this connection even once, you will know what this connection is and what it is to not be connected. This connection is not a random thing. One day it happened, I was lucky it happened that day. It is not happening now, what to do? Let me live my life. Nor does it mean you should start getting depressed and feeling all sad. Oh, I'm not connected. That is a waste of time. What should you do? You should use your intelligence. If I am not connected, I should do everything that it takes to become connected and not do everything that disconnects me from it. Anukulasya sankalpam pratikulasya varjanam. Adopting that which will establish this connection and rejecting everything that will take me away from this connection. Very essential. That is why the rishis or our ancestors, the ancients, what they would do, they will stick to a routine, and no matter what, they will not change that routine. Maathamate or anushtanam they will have, or a discipline they will have. Why is this discipline? This discipline will this discipline bring connection? Discipline may not bring connection, but the discipline will make sure that disconnection does not happen. Prema alone will bring connection. Love alone can cause connection. Some ritual or some observance will not cause connection, but it will make sure disconnection will not happen. Do you understand? That's mukhya. Because two things are: one, you have to get connected; second, you have to make sure that the connection is established and you're not disconnected again. What disconnects us? Worldly, laukikama, even a small child can understand this. If you are sitting and singing bhajans, you will feel connected. If you leave that and go chanting about this, that and the other, if you keep talking, how can connection be there? Will it not go away? If you are talking about Bhagavan, of course it will be there. But if you are talking about useless things and playing some useless things, how can you expect the connection to still be there? Above in the sadhana stage, this alone is sadhana. Adukapra stage, you can never be disconnected. You can never be disconnected. There is a stage where you can never be disconnected because hatena shatena Bhagavan will come and stay in your heart and say, Agali Gilen. Bhagavan will stay in your heart. I will never leave you. I will not disconnect from you. No, he will catch hold of you and he will hold you in place. That is the goal. That is what we want. We are trying to hold on to him so that he will hold on to us. We are trying to catch hold of him so that he will catch hold of us. And once he takes hold of us, he will never let go. We may let go, he will not let go. We should make sure we do not let go. The two-pronged effort it is. On the one hand, I should do everything, the positive side, trying to establish that connection. On the other hand is the negative aspect of it, so-called negative aspect of it, which is to prevent the connection from going, prevent disconnection from happening, prevent all those things that will come and take me away, break this connection from it. That is where care is necessary. Premala care is not necessary. Bhavatala there is no need for no discipline in bhava. There is no need for discipline in bhava. But discipline is necessary to make sure bhava doesn't become abhava. Abhava means disappearance. Bhava should not become abhava. It should not disappear. To protect it. Like a fence that protects it, with a fence is necessary. Planting the sapling is necessary. Protecting it with the fence is also necessary. Adamadriya like that, weeding it is also necessary. If weeds come, then we've got to make sure we are constantly taking out we've got to weed out unwanted tendencies, unwanted distractions, unwanted thoughts. There is no excuse. These things don't go away. Just because we are talking about bhakti or prema doesn't mean these disciplines can go away. Eternally they are essential. This is common. There is no difference between jnana marga, bhakti marga, etc. There is absolutely no difference because the commonalities are all several. Vairagya is still necessary. Viveka is still necessary. You've got to make sure that you do not allow those distracting tendencies to enter into you. Swami used to tell us, look, there are these doors. What are these doors for? The doors are to let people come inside. But if a herd of buffaloes are coming, you will close the doors. You will not let the buffaloes come in. Likewise, in your body also, senses are given to you. What are the senses for? To let information come in. If your ears are not operating, can you listen to Mukundamala? If the speech is not there, can you chant the Krishna Nama? If the eyes are not there, can you see Bhagavan? Bhagavad Darshanam, will it happen? If hands are not there, can you serve him? If senses are necessary, but at the same time, if negative tendencies, if wrong impressions, if wrong things are coming, then you got to shut them. You can't let them also in just because it is open. I have senses, so I will listen to everything. I will see everything. No. You've got to have that restraint. If you do not have that restraint, slowly without knowledge, what will happen? What you are accumulating will start leaking out. If there is a small leak, you will not even know it is there. You filled up a pot with milk or water, you kept it there, without knowing there's a small leak somewhere. Paatha theriyadu. When you fill it up, you will not see it. You will go away. Next day when you come back, there will be no water in it. It's all leaked away. Like that, small leaks are there. So you've got to be careful that these leaks do not come and drain away what you are trying to accumulate. நிறைய பேருக்கு அதான் ப்ராப்ளம். एक पग आगे दो पग पीछे. We take one step forward, two steps backward, one step forward, two steps backward, one step forward, two steps backward. तुम तक कैसे आओ? How will I ever reach the goal if I'm going to take one step forward and two steps backwards? அங்கதான் care is necessary. So every day in the Krishna Rasayanam nu solra Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam piba, vitamins we take every day. Without fail, we remember, we even put a phone layout, we will put a reminder, take vitamin, take medication. I mean, we will take it. Do meditation. I mean, a reminder. Take medication, reminder is there. Do meditation, reminder is also necessary. You have to connect to God. Ideally, reminder should not be necessary. You should always be connected to God. Sarvada, Sarvakaleshu, Sarvatra, Hari Chintanam. Abdina, Hari should be always part and parcel of our lives. But in order to make it so, at least effort is necessary. And in that effort, if you have got to remember, do whatever it takes to remember. But remember to connect to the Lord. Make sure that you are doing that positive effect of connecting to Him. At the same time, make sure you are also taking care of plugging all the leaks. Pratikulasya varjanam. Getting rid of all that which is pratikula, that which is against my devotion to the Lord, against my connection to the Lord. Bhagavad Nimittam, for the sake of the Lord, does not matter what it is that you do. If you are doing it for His sake, it automatically becomes anukula, beneficial to you. Pratikula, anukula means that which is beneficial and that which is harmful to me. These are not actions. Harmful actions, beneficial actions. I mean, two sets of actions. Attitude. Beneficial attitude and harmful attitude. If I am doing it for Bhagavat Preeti Artham, for the sake of the Lord, that is beneficial. If I am doing it for any other reason, if I am doing it for myself, that is harmful. That is harmful. If I am doing it for Him, it is beneficial. If I am doing it for myself, it is harmful. Remember, simple. Very easy to remember. Selfishness is adharma. Selflessness is dharma. When we say selflessness for the sake of this boy or that person or this woman, illa. எனக்கு ஒரே கான்டாக்ட் தான். Your contact நேத்திக்கே சொன்னோம். அன்னைக்கு when somebody was asking, we spoke about it. Life is a journey from me to we to he. Me, myself and myself alone. That's me. We, me and him. The Lord and me. That's all. Only two of us. Nobody else in that. Only me and him. All others are only because of association with him. Avana thottu dhaan vaadlam. They are his agents. They are his representatives. They are his servants. They are people who have been sent to me by him. And if I am dealing with them, I am dealing with them for his sake, not for anybody else's sake. Abdin. You may take a recommendation from somebody and go to a place. I've come here because he told me to come. Okay, for his sake I will do it. In that case, for his sake I will do. And he's not doing it for you. He's doing it for that person. He has some relationship with that person. He owes something to that person. For that person's sake, he is doing it to you. So you cannot think, he's doing me a favor. He's doing that person a favor. Isn't it? Like that. For his sake, we deal with all the people of this world. Not for their sake, not for our sake. You got to understand this very clearly. For God's sake, please understand it. For God's sake, please get it. You're doing everything for God's sake only. Ishvara nimittanda. Not for ivaluku avaluku. We have nothing owing to each other. Otherwise, you will forever be caught in this bandham. We will always be in debt. நம்ம தேவரணம் பித்ருரணம் அந்த ரணம் இந்த ரணம் ஒரு ரணம் எனக்கு ஒரு ரணம் கிடையாது. ஏன்னா எனக்கும் அவனுக்கும் சம்பந்தம். நீ யாரா நடுவில் வரதுக்கு? My connection with the Ishvara only. Who are you in between? You are coming. You are only coming because you are an agent of him. என்னோட பெருமாள் has sent you. My Bhagavan has sent you. Therefore I will deal with you. Not because I owe you anything, but I owe him everything. Priyarda. If I'm sitting here and if I'm doing this pravachan here, I'm sitting and doing this discourse here, for what purpose? Do I owe you anything? Do I owe you anything? I owe you nothing. Yeah, because you also owe me nothing. One day you will come, one day you will not come. Some people are there today, some people are not there today. Yesterday some people were there, today they are not there. If they have something else, they will go away. Example, you just look around. A group of people who were there yesterday may not be here today. Why? Yesterday it was possible for them to make it. They came today. They have something else to do. They have gone away. What does it mean? They do not owe me anything. So I owe him, therefore I have to come and sit down. They will come and sit down. You don't owe me anything. Do you understand this? That's how it should be. I don't want you to owe me anything. Don't think I'm trying to find fault or anything. That is how it should be. You do not owe me anything. But more importantly, I don't owe you anything. Then why am I doing it? I owe him everything. This is for my master. This is for my guru. This is my guru dakshana to my guru. Guru dakshana kodalla. It is my, it is not an offering. It is not a dakshana. It is just my relationship. It is our relationship. So for what purpose am I doing? For his sake I am doing. Not for you. Like that you also should act in this life. How should you act? You're not doing it for the sake of your children. You're not doing it for the sake of your parents. You're not doing it for the sake of your spouses or your siblings or your friends or anybody else. You're doing anything and everything for the sake of Ishvara, who will send those people to you. Bhagavan amchirka. So Bhagavan kaha pan rahe. You understand this? I'm doing it for the sake of Bhagavan. When we are doing it, then attachment will not arise at all. There is no possibility of attachment at all. Attachment only comes because you are taking some pleasure out of that relationship. You understand? Attachment comes only because you are taking pleasure out of that relationship. You are finding joy in that relationship. You are doing it for their sake or your sake. Both of it will cause attachment. It will be a problem. Do it for his sake. In that case, you will only be attached to him. And you must be attached to him. You don't want to be detached from Bhagavan. You must be attached to Bhagavan. Therefore, do everything for Bhagavan's sake. Do everything for the Lord's sake. Don't do anything for anybody's sake. Don't care about what they do. And if you don't do it for their sake, then you won't be sad if they don't say thank you to you. Otherwise, you in Tamil we say, generally when we say, which means I fell down and did it. Literal translation of it, I fell down, did it. Means I went out of my way to do something for them. But in the end, they did not even say thank you to me. Why did you do it for them? Why do you do it for them? Like if you go to a shop, a retail store, you go to a shop. The moment you enter in, the salesperson there will come and say, how are you today? How can I help you? Camera he is coming running to you with a big smile on his face. How are you today? Have you had a good day so far? How can I help you? I'm just looking around. No worries. If you need me, I'm just here. Just give me a call. Just give a yell. He's running. Why is he doing this? Not because he likes your face. Because there is a camera recording him. And his boss is seeing how he's performing. He will get a raise or he will get his pay based upon his performance. Adanal he is looking around and saying, hey, how are you? When he goes out of range of camera, you should see his face. So what is he doing it for? He is doing it for the sake of the boss. He is doing it for the sake of his boss who will review and give him a pay rise or something. He is not doing it for you. Like that, in this world, be nice to everybody. Smile because you are on camera. Smile and be nice to everybody because you are on camera. You're watching always. Ishvara is always watching. Jagadeka Chakshur. He is the eye of the world. He is watching. Nityam Nirikshamananam. Abadina constantly is watching you. Adanala, because you want to make sure that when he is looking at you, you have a big smile on your face. Adanala, pleasant. How are you? How can I help you? I've got nothing to do with you. What have I got to do with you? Everything is with only him. For his sake, I shall smile. I shall do everything. Be very clear on why you have got to be nice in this world. Be nice to everybody, help everybody, serve everybody. Be loving to everybody, be kind to everybody, but not because of the relationship that you have with them. In fact, do not have any relationship with anybody in this world. Dangerous it is. They are dangerous. You'll be burnt. Have relationship only with Ishvara, only with Bhagavan. Swami used to impress upon it, very press and impress. He used to make sure that it gets really embedded into us as children, as youngsters. He would say, who is that fellow? My friend. No friend. God is the only friend. God is your only friend. No, you do not have any friends. We were afraid to even use the word friend. He used to say it so often that he is my friend in Vayala Bharat. I will not say anybody, he is my friend. There are no friends. Ishvara alone is the friend. Bhagavan alone is the friend. Each one of us have our friend who is Bhagavan only. Others are all Irka, they are all colleagues. In the Urla Chulvalya, in India, there is no distinction at all. In India, I don't know whether it is because of the language problem. He is my friend from work. He actually means colleague from work. Not a friend. No. He is a friend from work called me. Colleague. They don't know the word colleague. And now they'll say friend for everybody. Friend is friend is somebody different. No? You will call the friend home. You will go out to the friend. Doesn't mean you go to the colleague. You are waiting to get out of his face. Abhada வீட்டுக்கு போலாம்டா opposite him and look at him all the time. அமரிமையா உட்காந்துட்டு he digging into his nose. As though a big explorer he is. Gold rush போன மாதிரி என்ன நேரே ஏத்தாப்புல வேற உட்காந்துட்டு. No friends. Bandhu apna yaar matanna bandhu. Tvameva mathacha pitattvameva tvameva bandhuscha sakhatvameva tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva tvameva sarvam. Tvameva sarvam. And I used to have even now, once in a while, personal sharing. I used to have a very favorite line. And every once in a while I'll tell Swami this line. Na sarvasvamu neeve kada Swami. In Telugu, it's a Telugu line. Na sarvasvamu neeve kada Swami. Every once in a while I'll tell this to you. Ennuடைய sarvamum needane Swami. Are you not my everything? Na sarvasvamu. Everything is needane Swami. Every once in a while, we'll just look at him and say, Sarvasvam neeve kada Swami. Mari antayu neeve. You are everything. I love the word Sarvasvam. It was so all-encompassing. That word Sarvasvam is so all-encompassing in Telugu. It means absolutely everything, leaving nothing else. No exclusion at all. It's total, complete, kritsnataha, everything. Na Sarvasvam neeve kada Swami. Na Sarvasvam neeve kada Swami. Are you not my everything, Swami? Are you not my everything, Swami? Everybody else எல்லாம் செகண்டரி இருக்கா எல்லாரும் அதுக்காக பிரேமம் இல்லாமையா இருக்கு you're all there. Is there any lack of love that I have for all of you? Do you not feel that love? Do I not have love for all of you? It's there, but the love is for the Antaryami who resides inside you. There is an indweller inside you, Liya. The Antaryami, who is that Antaryami? He is my Swami only. So why is there so much love for all of you? Because my Lord is there. Nothing to do with your body minds. I have no relationship with your body minds. My relationship with is the Antaryami who is sitting inside you. Like that, with everybody, our relationship is only because of Him residing in them, because He has sent them to us. Shirdi Baba would say in the Sacharita, be sweet to everybody, be nice to everybody. If anybody comes to you, even if it is an insect or an animal, not just a human being, even if it is an insect or an animal, it is coming to you in this life only because Hari has sent it to you. அப்போ பி நைஸ் ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் ஹரி ஹூ சென்ட். அப்போ பகவானுக்கு சந்தோஷம் ஆகிடும், பகவானுக்கு திருப்தி ஆகிடும். இன் ராமானுஜாஸ் லைஃப் ஸ்டோரி, பகவத் ராமானுஜா கோஸ் டு அ வில்லேஜ் நியர் திருவண்ணாமலை. திருவண்ணாமலை பக்கத்தில் தான் ஒரு ஊர் பேர் மறந்து போயிடுது எனக்கு. நியர் பிட்வீன் திருவண்ணாமலை and Senchi, there was a little village. And he came there, and there was a very rich man who was very devoted to Ramanuja. He was a Shishya, he was a disciple. There was also a very poor Brahmana in that same village. And as soon as this rich man heard that, everybody in the village heard that Bhagavad Ramanuja was coming, he was going from Srirangam to Tirupati. He was going on a north yatra to Tirupati. Adanala he has to cross through all these places and go. They were walking. But the news reached the village that Ramanuja, along with all of his disciples and devotees, is coming to this little village. But anyway, the rich man made sure that he sent his emissary, went there, welcomed and said, you must please come to my house and have Bhiksha there. We have to do Dadyaradhana for everybody, you must come to my house. And Ramanuja said yes. In order to ascertain where and what time they should come and so on and so forth, details were not collected. Ramanuja sent 2 of his disciples to go to this person's house. Go and find out when and where, what time would be suitable for all of us to come. So these 2 disciples went in the morning. But the house is in great turmoil, great uproar. Everybody is busy running around, cooking so many different dishes, cleaning and decorating, and all these things are happening. We've just come. Ramanuja has sent us. We wanted to know what time. No, anytime he wants to come, he can come. They were busy running around. These people who had gone there, they waited for some time, and then they heard the news, they came back. Ramanuja asked them, what happened? No, we went there. And we asked them, he told us information. They came, they were looking very tired when they came back. Did you have anything to drink or anything? No. They were very busy, they did not offer anything to us. And they quietly heard it. Adukula, the poor Brahmana came and said, Swami, I would love for you to come to my house. Priya bhagyam it will be if you would come. Yes, come, let us go. I will come. He said, I will come. That man rushed home to make arrangements. Before that man could come home, Bhagavad Ramanuja came to his house. Only his wife was there inside. Wow, they were very, very poor, it seems. She did not even have an upper cloth. Ramanuja throws his own, she claps her hands from inside to apprise him of the situation. He takes his saffron cloth and throws it to her. Wrapping that around, she comes and does Namaskaram, please come. I will get something ready. And she begs here and there and brings food. By the time husband also comes, both of them are offering their great service, Kainkaryam to Bhagavad Ramanuja. There the rich man is waiting. Lunchtime has come and gone. No sign of Ramanuja at all. Where is he gone? When they are searching, finally they find him in this person's house. And Swami, you said you will come to our house and you did not come. Ramanuja says to him, I sent 2 of my disciples to you. You ignored them. You slighted them. You did not so much as offer them some refreshment, some water also you did not offer them. When you cannot treat the people who come from me nicely, how will you treat me? Therefore I did not come to your house. And now you, a mistake, what a great mistake it is. I have become Bhagavata Apachara. I have committed the offense of mistreating the disciples, the devotees of the Lord. A story that happens in Ramanuja's lifetime. But what is the essence of the story? All the people that come to us, we must understand they are coming from Bhagavan. And if we do not treat them happily, Bhagavan will not come. If we do not treat them well, Bhagavan will not come. Therefore, why are we treating everybody nicely and having love for all of them? Apadam, my Bhagavan will be happy and Bhagavan will come. Bhagavan will say, I will not come to your house. I am busy preparing. I am ignoring you because I am busy preparing for him. He will not come. Then what is the point? So when I recognize that everybody in this world comes to me because of him, that doesn't mean I have a specific relationship with you. I am not working for you. I am working for him. But because you also come from him, I have got to treat you also nicely. அப்படிங்கிற lesson we learn. அதனால இதம் ஷரீரம் பரிணாமபேஷலம் பதத்யவஷ்யம் ஸ்லத சந்தி ஜர்ஜரம் கிம் ஔஷதைஹி க்லிஷ்யசி மூடதுர்மதே நிராமயம் கிருஷ்ணரசாயனம் பிப ட்ரிங்க் கிருஷ்ணரசாயனம் கனெக்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் டு பகவான் live for the sake of Bhagavan, interact with everybody in this world for the sake of Bhagavan only. Not for the sake of them, not for the sake of yourself. Ishwarartham, Bhagavat Priti Artham. Bhagavan ki tripti erpadum illaya, Bhagavan will be pleased. For that sake, if you are living your world, naturally he will be pleased. Isn't it? If you are going to operate with the idea of pleasing him, will he not be pleased? Cholunga. Even if you do mistakes, even if you end up doing mistakes, but you are doing it to please him, when the idea is to please him is foremost, uppermost in your heart, and you even end up making a mistake, he will say, that's all right. Your intention was to please me. He will scold you. Madaya. But he might scold you, but in the heart he will say, Dalu, he did it for me. That is what we want. Dharavaraka varasuthate tanujo virinchi stota vedastava suragano britya varga prasadaha muktir Maya jagadavikalam tavaki devaki te mata mitram valaripusutaha tvai atanyat na jane. I don't know anybody else other than you. Atha anyat tvai na jane appadinu solraringa. I do not know anybody other than you. Who is this you? Appadina Dara Vara Karavara Sutta. Dara Vara Karavara Sutta. Your wife is the daughter of the ocean. Te Tanujo Virinchihi. Your son is Brahma. Stota Veda. Those who sing your praises are the Vedas. Suragano Britya Vargaha. Suragano Britya Vargaha, your servants are the Devas. Your bards are the Vedas, your servants are the Devas. Your son is Brahma, your wife is the daughter of the ocean. Prasadaha Mukti. Your prasada, your grace brings liberation. Maya Jagadavikalam. And because of your Maya, the worlds arise. Deva Tavaki Jagadavikilam Davaki Devaki Te Mata. Your mother is Devaki. Mitram Valaripusutaha. Your friend is Indra's son Arjuna. Tvai Atha Anyat Na Jane. Other than you, I do not know anything. Unique verse. Bhagavan relatives allan cholikura. He doesn't talk about his relatives, he talks about all Bhagavan's relatives. Bhagavan's wife, Bhagavan's son, Bhagavan's mother, Bhagavan's bards, Bhagavan's servants, Bhagavan's friend, Bhagavan's actions, Bhagavan's grace, ellati. Your grace brings moksha, your Maya brings the worlds into existence. World is there, Bhagavan Maya. Moksha is there, Bhagavan's grace. Wife, Tayar, Sindhukanya. Sindhukanya, the one who came from the ocean of milk, because when the ocean of milk was churned, Mahalakshmi emerged from it. Tadidambarama. Like a lightning flash, she arose from it. Adanale, your wife is the Dara, your wife is the one who came from the ocean, she is the daughter of the ocean. Your son is Brahma because he came from your navel. Bhagavan is very unique in that manner. Bhagavan is very unique in that manner. Usually mother is the one that from mother's navel or womb only child comes out. Bhagavan is such an extraordinary person. From his navel also Brahma comes, and then Brahma creates the rest of this world. And then Brahma is your son. Vedas are your stota. Stota, those who sing praises, the bards, the panegyrists, those who come and sing your glories. Vedas are all standing there only to sing his glories. Shruti Gita, Srimad Bhagavatathila, we have a thing where the Vedas are standing there and saying Jaya Jaya. Suragano Britya Vargaha. All the Devas are all your servants. Britya Vargaha, the hosts of your servants. Prasadaha Mukti. If you are happy, we become liberated. If you are happy with us, if you are pleased with us, your pleasure takes the form of liberation for us. Maya Jagad Avikalam Thavaki. And your Maya makes all these worlds come into existence. They arise out of your Maya, which is your Prakriti. Devaki te Mata. Your mother is Devaki. Devaki kitte birke namoru idubadu jasti. He even sings songs where he considers himself as Devaki and says, "Alas, I missed your growing up, my son." Ellarum Yashoda solra. How would Devaki would have felt? 11 years Krishna was not there. For 11 years, what would have been Devaki's plight? Only this Alvar sings about himself as thinking of himself as Devaki. He sings, I did not see you roll over. I did not see you stand up. I did not hear your first words. I did not see you crawl. I did not do this for you. I did not do that for you. Bhavam dane. Somehow you have to connect to God. You have to somehow connect to God, depending on your hormones, depending on your emotions. If you are feeling all depressed and sad, Bhavani, Krishna, connect to Krishna, somehow connect to Bhagavan. Depending on your mood, Shivaranjani o Mohanamo, depending on your mood, you connect to Bhagavan. Devaki te Mata Mitram Vala Ripusutaha. Your a friend is Arjuna, Indra's son. Bala Ripu Suta. Asuranudya Ripu, Indra, the Chutti Vadachi Pesharathu. Bala Ripu Suta. The Asura's enemy's son. Asura, Bala. His Ripu, his enemy Indra, Indra's Suta, son, Arjuna. So Arjuna is your Mitram, friend. Mitram, Bala Ripu Suta. Atha. Tvai anyat na jane. Tvai atha anyat na jane. Other than you, in all of these manners, I do not know anybody else. I do not know anything else. They let me live my life knowing only you. Abdina Alvar is submitting to Bhagavan. We will stop here for today and continue again tomorrow. About 8 or so odd verses is there. Next 2 days we will do that. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashchid dukkha bhag bhavet, loka samastah sukhino bhavantu, loka samastah sukhino bhavantu, loka samastah sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Sai Ishvara Pranamaste.